Welcome to another video. We are going to see how to convert a still image to a video, so we are going to use a particular AI tool. Type Imagine AI and click on it on Google search. From the search result, click on it. You have to be logged in to convert your still image to a video, so you have to create an account. You can use email to create an account or use your Google account. So, this is the Imagine AI dashboard. It gives 50 tokens every 24 hours. Previously, they used 20 tokens to convert a still image to a video. But, now, it has been increased to 40 tokens, so you can only use it to convert just one image to a video, but the token replenishes every 24 hours. So, to proceed, click Video Craft. Proceed and click Image to Video. We are going to upload a still image. So here, click Upload. You can either generate or upload an image. But we are going to upload an image. We are going to choose this image. So, over here, adjust to your desired resolution. We are using 16:9. Then crop the image to the desired size. And click Crop Image. So it would auto-generate an image prompt after the upload. On the left-hand side, you can adjust effects of the video output. Under Styles, you can adjust to what the effect would be. You can opt for any of these. We aren't using any of it. We would leave it the way it is. Then the lighting, there are several. We would also leave it the way it is. Under Camera Motion, there are several options. We are going to use Move Right. As pointed out, we are using the option of Move Right. After that, click on Generate. It will take some seconds for it to convert the image to video. As you can see, the token here is now 10 from the previous 50. It uses 40 tokens to convert an image. So, the video is now ready, so, let's play it. To see how it looks. So you can download the video here. It's now downloaded. Let's view it. So this is it. The still image is now a video. It's just a 4-second video, but it's a way of converting a still image to a video. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.